Welcome to Huichen Energy Saving Technology China Co. Limited. We are a leading company in the energy-saving materials industry, specializing in the production of top-notch glass wool products. Our production workshop is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and follows strict quality control procedures. Every step of the production process is carefully monitored to ensure that our glass wool products meet the highest international standards. Our skilled workers are committed to delivering products with excellent thermal insulation, sound absorption, and fire resistance properties. When it comes to loading and shipping, we take great pride in our efficient and reliable service. We ensure that every order is carefully packaged and loaded to prevent any damage during transportation. Our logistics team works closely with customers to ensure timely delivery, no matter where you are in the world. In addition to our high-quality products and services, we also offer competitive prices. We believe that everyone should have access to energy-saving materials that are both effective and affordable. That's why we strive to provide the best value for our customers without compromising on quality. Choose Huichen Energy Saving Technology for all your glass wool product needs. We are confident that our products and services will exceed your expectations. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can help you with your energy-saving projects.